Welcome. In this video, I will quickly overview the Zepp application interface when it's paired with your Helio Ring. So, at the first page, home page, we will find the general information about our device's usage. We also have the ring charging status in the top left corner of the screen and our account logo in the top right corner of the screen. Where we can access our account info. On the overview page, we can basically check all the information that, all the general information that our ring collected about us, like core metrics, sleep, readiness, and exertion scores, which are also divided into 3 different categories, as you can see at the top here. Now here you can also find the food that you can consume and the amount of calories remaining, the heart rate, the steps today, the calories, stress and emotions measured by your ring, PAI for today, also weight according to the data that you provided. In readiness, we can find information about our readiness basically for the day, which is collected and sent to the application every morning when you wake up. It's based on your sleep statistics and general physical recovery and all other kinds of recovery. In sleep tab, you can find all the sleep information collected by your ring. And in exertion, you can find the info about your exertion after the day is complete. So it's basically like the opposite of the readiness tab. So in exertion, you can check the info about the activities that you performed today and your level of exertion for today. In workout tab, we can basically find all the infos about the workouts, like workout history. You can start a new workout plan with a Zepp Coach. You can also chat with Zepp Coach if you have the premium subscription for this app. It's an AI chat, AI coach for this app. You can also check your weekly report. You can check your exercise statuses, and you can quickly start a workout in this menu too. And at the bottom, you can also check the all the other statistics related to your workouts. And here you can adjust the card sequence for this menu. Now Aura is pretty much the unique feature for your Helio Ring, and it's basically the overview of your sleeping quality, which includes the sleeping recap and weekly sleep analysis, the assessment. It also has some sleep music that you can turn on to go to sleep faster, natural sounds. You also have your sleep streak, weekly and monthly recaps. You have sleep health assistant here, and personalized music with personalized BPM, and also some breathing exercises to help you fall asleep, to reduce anxiety and all the other conditions that are interrupting you from falling asleep. And now in the last tab, which is device, you can find info about your device itself, like the health monitor. You can use find device feature to quickly find your ring here. And once you tap on it, your ring will start flashing green like this. And once you find your ring, just tap cancel. You can also update system on your device and learn more info about it. You can also read some articles to help you which will help you understand how to wear your ring correctly, where you'll get some daily use tips, You can also explore more features here, understand your data, and all the other info that you might be interested in. And at the bottom of this menu, you can also deactivate your device or unpair it from your smartphone. You can also add new devices here and send your feedback by tapping on one of these two icons in the top corners. And so that's pretty much it for this app. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.